Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to fix the disk write error. It didn't even used to have this identified error, it was just error updating back then. But yeah, now we can see disk write error. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna suggest is one of the ladder steps, so we can see if it fixes the issue straight up or not. And what we're gonna do is to uninstall Steam and then reinstalling it. So yeah, in the same manner that we uninstall Steam, just go over to the add remove programs in the startup, just type in Steam, see it there, and just hit that uninstall. And then just go over to their website and reinstall Steam once again. And if you do get that working after the reinstall, great. But otherwise, we can also go over, once you're in Steam, just go to downloads, go to download settings, and then just clear the download cache. This is gonna ask for a restart of Steam, so let's just do that. As you can see, it will update by itself. And also another thing we might want to make sure is go and right click on Steam, properties, compatibility, and make sure that disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin are checked. Just click apply and that should be good. Another thing we might have to do is to go over to firewall. Yeah, just the Windows Defender firewall. Allow an app or feature, and let's just look for Steam. It's a lot. There we go, Steam. We just have to make sure that the boxes for private and public for Steam are checked. Otherwise, change settings. If you don't see Steam here, just click on allow another app, browse, look for C, go to programs 86, then let's go into Steam here, and here is the Steam exe. Just open that, there you go, and then just add. And because we already have Steam here, it will say it's already in the list. Now we can just close out of that. And another thing we can do is to go to File Explorer, go to C once again, Program Files 86, and then once we find Steam, just right click on the folder and see this read only. We have to uncheck that and apply changes. It will take a while. And once that's done, let's just go over to security. If you see anything ticked in the deny, you'll have to change that. So to change permissions, as we can see here, just click edit and pick a user and make sure that everything is in full control. For example, with the administrator, users, and just tick the boxes here. And we should be good. Now, if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you could always like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.